Okay, guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. Sorry for the sound. I don't know how it sounds. I'm not in the studio. Had pretty busy weekend, but we're back and we're gonna start killing it like we do. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I hope it's quick anyway. I haven't done TA yet. I will update you guys with TA later. Um, but I want to talk about like the overall sentiment here. Okay, so you guys know, and I mean, I've been bearish for quite some time. Hasn't worked out too well. Not bearish, but wanting the pullback, expecting a pullback. And guys, I just want to remind you, like, look, I play ranges, okay? I long and I short all the time. I take many trades a day. I take trades beyond what I show you guys, and I also take the trades that I show you guys, okay? So I don't care. I don't care. It can go up, it can go down. I do not care, okay? But I want to just remind you guys that nothing goes up forever, and that this will eventually fall, and it will eventually fall hard. Okay, I don't want you guys to get twisted with the FOMO and all the excitement and whatever. Don't. Okay, it's just 5 numbers on the screen. Stay objective. I want you to remember, making money is easy. Okay, keeping the money is what's hard, and I'm trying to prevent you from losing it. Okay, so let's go over the time frames, high time frame stuff. Very brief, but I'll update for you. 6 hour is still giving us the divergences, and we currently have a golden nugget printing. Okay, money flow's coming up, but it's still diverging from this money flow over here, and it can still come up quite some ways while still diverging. Okay, so that's important to note at first glance. Okay, 3 hours a little bit more interesting. We have two waves that are extremely high waves. Okay, 72 is high. We're above 60 line. While simultaneously on the 6 hour have money flow diverging, and we're at the top also at 70 on the 6 hour. So 6 hour we're at least temporarily topped out. 3 hour we got money flow divs. We got the two waves, so we're topped out. Right? Let's come to the one. Or let's go to two. 2 is looking disgusting for shorts, okay? 2 is looking so bullish. The money flow is so thick. But it's not really as bullish as it looks, okay? It's not as bullish as it looks. Why? Yes, money flow is very thick. But look at how thick money flow is. And we haven't really gone anywhere. I mean, okay. Bitcoin has kind of just been a little baby pump consolidation. Baby pump consolidation. Baby pump, baby dump consolidation. Baby dump consolidation. Baby dump. You know what I'm saying? And especially in this last like little leg here. Let me draw it. This last little leg. Okay. We just had baby pump consolidation. Baby pump consolidation. Baby pump kind of consolidated yesterday. I wasn't really trading, but to me that doesn't really show strength, right? Like, we're pumping and money flow is this thick, yet we're going nowhere. We haven't really gone. Like, this is what you're looking for. When money flow is this thick, you want to see this, right? I want to see big moves. 2 hour money flow ain't no joke, right? Now, every move is not going to be this big of a move. That's not what I'm suggesting. But I want to see movement. I want to see follow through, right? This is 10%. Even these, like, right, 3%, 4%, here, 6%. We're not really getting that. And so when money flow is this thick and we're not moving, you could argue that we are actually diverging to the downside, right? Because why is money so thick and why are we not going anywhere? Now, perhaps it's because 40K is a psychological level, right? 40 is a big number, and there's a lot of orders there. It's going to be very hard to break 40, okay? Just like it was very hard to break 20 to the downside, right? I remember trading 20 when we were on the downside, and and the numbers showed exactly 20,000 on the dot. I swear, for like a collective of like 20 minutes without movement, trying to break it, and then we did. Right, 40 is no different. So this is what I'm thinking, man. And I don't want you guys to be like, oh wow, this didn't age well. Geo this, Geo that. Geo's a perma bear, whatever. Okay, remember, making money is easy, keeping the money's hard. I'm a little bit reluctant to open up longs. Long term, right? You guys know that I scalp. Scalp in and out. You know this. I'm a little bit reluctant to long term long though. Yes, the trend is up, and everything else. But I'm a little bit reluctant because there's so much liquidity below us. Yes, we need to follow market structure because market structure takes precedent over that liquidity. However, this is one of those instances in which market structure might not actually help, because this is one of those instances that as soon as market structure breaks, like, we could just all of a sudden get a huge wick down. Right? This is the 1 hour. If I come on the 4, like, guys, like, I understand we've been making higher highs and higher lows. I understand other YouTubers are like, oh, Bitcoin to 50K, Bitcoin to 60K. And I'm not saying that it's not going to go there. But for me, okay, and you guys know, I don't tell you what to do. I just tell you what I'm doing. For me, I am a little bit reluctant to long here. This does not look that bullish to me, right? Everyone's like, we've been making higher highs and higher lows. We have no reason to be bearish. Man, you guys know I follow the money always. The money is the best indicator. And there's so much money here, it's not even funny. It is not even funny, right? So I'm a little bit reluctant to long. What I'm gonna be looking for, and again, I need to say this, not preface anymore, but I need to say this. Like, I scalp all the ranges all the time, okay? So that doesn't mean that I'm not taking longs. I don't want you guys to see this video and then on like Wednesday you see I have a long position from here and I'm like, let's go, and you guys are like, what the hell? Geo said he doesn't want to long, so I'm not gonna long. That's not what I'm saying, okay? But I'm just saying I'm a little bit reluctant to long. Let's come to the 10-minute here, guys. Again, money flow diverging over time. Prices coming up, money is coming out, waves are coming out. Okay, so we're very overextended in the chart, right? If you take away market Cipher B, in general, we're overextended. Okay, not really so much on the 45. I mean, well, yeah, when you zoom out, like, we're super overextended, right? Is it possible we have a blow off top? Yes. Is it possible we don't? Yeah. Do I think they're going to stop it at 40K on the dot? Probably not, because that seems fairly easy. Do I think that they might stop it at somewhere random, like 41.4? Yeah, maybe. And then rip it down? Maybe, possibly. Right, but for long-term longs, it's kind of spooky looking, to be honest. And look, if you decide to long-term long, and we go up to 50K from here, congrats, good on you. But for me, it just doesn't feel like it's worth the risk. Now I'm gonna keep playing the ranges, and I'm gonna scalp it, and then I'm gonna hold some in both directions, so I win either way. But yeah, man, I don't know. I just think, like, it's not as bullish as all the YouTubers are making it seem with their open mouth thumbnails and whatever else. It's not. And if they're right, congrats, but you're only right until you're not. And it takes one loss to blow all of your profits from being right. So I made some decent money on this move up, and I'm perfectly content with potentially losing wherever the top is, right? But the divs are there. The divs have been there for months. Month and a half. Month and a half. Divs have been there for a month and a half. And, you know, Bitcoin has ignored the divs. For sure. For sure. Bitcoin has ignored them. But it's not going to ignore them forever, guys. Like, daily money flow is disgusting. It is so high, it's not even funny. Right, so I mean, we'll see what happens. I will continue to play the range, wherever the top is. I mean, I'm gonna be looking for shorts. I'm gonna be looking for longs too. But this was kind of just like a little overall sentiment, different than my other videos where we kind of just chill and talk. You know, I'm not gonna edit this video. But man, money's coming out. And price is coming up, and it's barely coming up too. Like, we're pumping, but we're not going anywhere. Right? We want this. This is the movement we want. Like this. Bang, bang, bang. Right? Bang. Bang, consolidation, on larger term time frames. What do we have here? We don't have anything. Right? It's kind of just, I don't even know. I don't even know what this is. This looks so weird. Man, you show this to anyone that knows what they're doing, it's weird. Okay, so don't get caught in the excitement. Ooh, when Lambo, when Moon. No. Because what good is a Lambo, like, if you have it for a day and then you lose it the next day or the next week? Spoiler alert, it's not good. It's actually worse. I would rather not have a Lambo than have had one and then have lost it. Yeah, this looks weird, man. Anyway, obviously I'm going to keep you guys updated in the Discord. This video went longer than I thought it would. So, if it ends up on YouTube, which I don't know if it will, maybe it will, the VIP code is 9683. I will see you guys later, and I will definitely see you on tomorrow's Brinksbox live stream.